Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to mark a chat as read on Telegram with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat that you want to mark as read. Next, long press on the chat you wish to mark as read. This action will activate a selection mode for the chat. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them. A menu with various options will appear. Finally, from the menu options, select Mark as Read. By choosing this option, you indicate that you have read the messages in the chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your chats on Telegram by marking them as read to stay organized and keep track of your conversations. This feature helps you prioritize your chats and ensure you don't miss any important messages. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark a chat as read on Telegram. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your messaging experience.